Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will troubleshoot this issue. Secure boot is not allowed if legacy option ROM are enabled. Okay, so if I want to enable secure boot option, it's saying that secure boot is not allowed. Okay, so how to troubleshoot this issue? So in order to fix this issue, you need to click on OK option, and after that go to general, which is the first option. Click on this and expand it from the plus button. You can see here the plus sign. Now go to advanced boot options. Okay, click on this option and make sure you untick this option, enable legacy option ROM, and untick this option from here. Then click on apply. Okay, since it is saying the RMO should be disabled, so after that go to again security boot option. Okay, and enable this option. Now this time it is not popping up to say that it is not allowed. After that click on apply option. Okay, we have applied. Then click on exit and your issue will be fixed. So let's wait for the boot the system. Let me show you my properties. You can see here the secure boot is enabled now. Okay, so hope your issue is also resolved. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.